Alright guys, so Shift Coop here. I have a very exciting episode. Through the next few episodes, I'm gonna try to make one every other day. I'm gonna be showing a lot of product reviews, my new build, the direction with that build, the direction with the Z. I'm gonna post up why I haven't been drifting, why I stopped making YouTube videos. But right now, it is 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm inside of my truck going to pick up a big package. It's in the UPS freight department, and it's going to be the center point of my new build. So you're going to enjoy this episode. Keep watching. Got that Nissan, boy. Alright. I think I'm in the right place.
Animosity, but they won't say my name.
Alright guys. This man is hauling ass with my package. There we go. All right, guys. Some of y'all probably know what this is already. I'm gonna back it up in here. I started building my deck out there, but I'm gonna back it up in here, pick it up off this cherry picker, and release it. I can't wait to see it personally. Okay, so for the people who can't guess it, with just this little thing, the wait is over. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. 2JZ GTE vvti. I've been wanting this motor for some time now. It is going to be put in here, right in there, my S14. Guys, I'm like beyond excited right now, beyond excited. So it comes with a automatic transmission on it. I have the Collins adapters kit coming, should be here today. Basically they use this bell housing, and there is you have to cut the bell housing off the CD009, and you attach the CD009 to this bell housing. So anyhow, here it goes. 2JZ going in this. The new project's finally coming alive. I have a lot of car parts coming. So every week I'll have another video with more parts. Just please stay tuned to the build. I'm gonna try to, space everything out nicely, but get it done extremely quick so that y'all can actually, see this process come alive quickly. Yeah, but there she goes. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna be asking this question, so where I got it from. So I bought it from J-Spec, it's out of Richmond. This one, they had about six of them laying around. This one was one of the newer ones in their inventory, and it also had a amazingly perfect compression ratio across all 6 cylinders. I think they're supposed to be able to do like anywhere from between 127 and 156 or something like that. This one did like right over 150. You know, the gauges is kind of hard to read, but right over 150, all 6 cylinders, very quickly too. So I'm really happy about the compression test. All the pistons were, you know, within reason of each other. So she should be a healthy motor. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out this truck and sit it on the ground. And then I have a lot of other stuff to do today. So unfortunately, after I put this in the ground, the rest is gonna have to be done tomorrow. So stay tuned. I'll have another video coming for you tomorrow about everything that's happening. I'm gonna keep y'all in the loop. These like the spurt where I did not have videos for a while will not happen again, believe me. So thanks for all the viewers, thanks for watching, and yeah, please like, subscribe if you want to keep seeing content. The more views I get, the more stuff I'll do. I'm not getting paid for this or anything like that, but I just like to you know, show y'all some cool builds. So thank you. Can you be my camera holder?
Mm-hmm. Super nice.
Good, guys. We never took the little plastic foam cover off of this.
Reckless. All right, what do you got to say for yourself?
Nigga, we made it. All right, guys, I just want to say, like, this motor is, you know, it's got some dust on it. Of course, it's been shipped and everything like that, but there is not even a scratch or nick on the valve cover. I made that little scratch with a razor blade. I'm an idiot. It's just like freaking mint. I was gonna black out everything, but now I'm sitting here thinking to myself, maybe I should keep the colors. So I'm gonna have parts tumbling in. Y'all stay tuned because this isn't gonna be your average 2J swap. It's gonna have a little bit of special goodies on it.